Hey there. So we got the holidays coming up just a few weeks away, and you're probably like me having some friends and family over to celebrate Thanksgiving. And maybe or may not be stressing about the menu and the turkey itself and all that good stuff, but also you may want to make sure that you set a great dinner table and have everything just right so everyone can have a fun and memorable experience. So today we're going to talk about lighting. Behind me, to my left here, is a regular on-off switch light for my dinner table area. And what I want to do is put in a dimmer so that during dinner I can lower the light and set the mood for a great Thanksgiving dinner. So today, let's get into changing this light switch from an on-off to a dimmer. Ready to get started? All right, me too. All right, let's talk about the tools we're going to need to do this job. The first tool is some wire splitters. You can find these at any hardware store, and they're generally under $10 for an entry-level pair. Second is a voltmeter. Again, this is under $10, very easy to use, and I'll show you how to use it here shortly. And three is either a Phillips or flathead screwdriver, depending on what type of screw you have in your outlet. And lastly is a dimmer. There are several types of dimmers on the market, and you can decide on whether or not you want to get a flat switch like this or a standard switch that's up and down, and really it just depends on your personal preference and if you want to match what you currently have in your house already. I chose this because this is what I have in my wall for my standard on-off switch and what I'm going to use for the dimmer. All right, step one, we need to make sure that we are turning off the power to the switch that we're going to work on. So this is where this gadget comes in handy. This will tell you whether or not you have your power turned on and off at the switch. With the light on, I push on the button and you can see it's blinking, which tells me that I have power still to the switch. And next we need to go to the circuit breaker and turn off the power to this area in the house where this switch is tied into. At the breaker, find your switch labeled 5, living room outlets, turn off switch, head back to wall to make sure power is off. Head back to the switch, use your voltmeter, and make sure you've turned off the breaker. This is a very important step. Use Phillips or flathead to remove switch plate. Once the switch plate is removed, you can now begin to take the switch out from the wall. Remove the switch using your flathead or Phillips screwdriver. Next, we are going to remove the switch with our wire cutters, removing the ground and the two power wires, which are black. We will then use the wire stripper portion of the wire cutters to clean up the wires, leaving approximately 1 inch of fresh clean wire for when we attach our new dimmer switch to the existing wall wires. Next, connect your new dimmer switch to the wall wires using the provided wire nuts that come with the dimmer switch in the packaging. You simply connect green to green, black to black, and black to red, and you're all set. Tuck the wires back into the wall, grab your original screws, and mount your new dimmer switch to the wall. Turn your breaker back on and head back to your newly installed switch, testing for on and off, and for your dimmer to brighten and dim at your fingertips. All right, so there you have it, a simple and easy way to bring a little bit of ambiance to your dinner on the holidays or at any time during the year with just a simple change of an on-off switch to a dimmer switch. Bright to easy going. Thanks for watching the video and happy holidays. Please remember, working with electricity can be dangerous, and It's always a good idea to consult your local hardware store employee for any tips and tricks and suggestions. Thanks for watching.